Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to update your PC. First thing you want to do is just go to your search bar down here at the bottom left. You can click this little icon. You might have a little blank looking icon as well, or you can just hit your Windows key on your keyboard, which happens to be the bottom left between Control and Alt. So you can hit that as well. When that opens up, you're going to want to search for update. Simple as that. You just search for update and it should say check for updates. And as you can see, I still need to do an update. If you have one available, it'll kind of look like this. It may have more than one of these, just different types of updates. And you can just click install all or install now. And then once that gets done, it may take a while depending on your computer, like how old it is or your internet speed. You will probably need to reboot your computer. It'll probably offer to do that. If not, then I would just restart your computer anyway. And that's really all there is to it. This was a very quick guide, very easy. I know there's some people out there that, aren't 100% sure on how to update their computer, but it's pretty much as simple as this. You just come here, like I said, go to the search for it, and click on it, and there you go. I hope you enjoy this video and it helped you out in some way. If you like it, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and have a great day.